Hello students of class 6, I am here to start a new topic of math which is addition of fraction. Okay. But before that we have to know that actually you already know that what is like fraction, what is unlike fraction, and what is mixed fraction. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Like fraction. Okay, so look at the adjoining figure. 2/3. This is actually not 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/4 plus this is 1/4. Okay, so 2/4 plus 1/4, that is 3/4, right? 3/4. Okay, so we see that it is easy to add or subtract fraction with same denominators. See, denominators are same in both the cases, so this type of fractions are called like fraction. So it is very easy for us to add or subtract like fractions. Okay, for example, 5/6 plus 2/6, we just add the numerators, that means 5 plus 2/6, 7/6. Okay, so these are the addition of like fraction. But what about this? The denominators are different. Okay, so this type of fractions are called unlike fraction. So for solving this type of problem, first we have to find out the LCM of the denominator, that means 5 and 10. Okay, so LCM 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. So the LCM is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so the LCM is 10. Now listen very carefully. First we divide the denominator with the denominator. First we divide 10 divided by 5 and multiply the result with the numerator. Okay, first we divide the denominator by denominator and the result multiplied by the numerator. Okay, plus similarly 10 divided by 10 into numerator is 3. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 10 divided 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1 into 3. Okay, divided by 10. So is equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 3 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Okay, first we have to find out the LCM of the denominator, then divide denominator by denominator and result multiplied by numerator. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, move on to the next problem. Simplify 3 2 by 5, 4 1 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. This type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Okay, so in this type of problem, first we have to convert those mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 by 1. Okay, so 3 5 is 15 plus 2 17 17 by 5 plus 21 20 plus 1 21 by 5 minus 5 to the 10 10 plus 1 11 11 by 5. Okay, so these are the like fraction, so we just solve the numerator. Okay, so 7 plus 21 is equal to 38 38 minus 11 is equal to 27. Okay, 27 by 5. Okay, you can convert it into mixed fraction or 27 by 5. That means 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, remainder is 2, and the divisor is 5. So 5 2 by 5. Okay, okay, move on to the next question. Okay, okay, move on to the next question. 7 3 by 4 minus 3 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. So these are the mixed fractions, so we convert it into improper fraction. See, 4 into 7 plus 3 31 by 4, 6 into 3 18 plus 5 23 by 6 plus 7 by 8. So these are unlike fractions, so we have to find out the LCM of 4 6 and 8. So the LCM of 4 6 and 8 is equal to 24, right? See, Okay, so the LCM is 24. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So 31 into 6 minus 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 4. So 23 into 4 plus 8, 3 are 24. So 3, 7 into 3. Okay? Okay? So 31 into 6 is equal to 186 minus 23 into 4, 92 plus 7 into 3, 21 by 24. Okay? Okay? Next. So 186 minus 92 plus 21 is equal to 115 by 24. Okay? So convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. 4 Okay, so the answer is 419 by 24. So the answer is 419 by 24. Okay, I hope you have understood. Practice it in your copy, and if you have any problem, then contact us. Thank you.